Okay. Hi everyone. The video format for today is going to be a little bit different. It's because I'm trying things, new things, even though it's scary. But it's good to try new things. Why not, right? So my plan for today is to do a little art vlog. I have some art business to do today at the gallery that I'm with, which is called Beeldend Gesproken Art Gallery. Beautiful gallery. Love it. And I figured I'll show you a little day in the life of an artist who's also currently in a burnout. So since I am also in a pretty big burnout, it's not going to be a perfect day. There's a lot of things I won't be able to film, but that's okay. I'll film as much as I can. And it is my first vlog, so I'm going to suck at it. Anyways, I have to keep that in my head. It's fine. You can't be good at something before sucking at something. You have to suck first, and then you're going to get good. So let's see if I can do this.
I start off the day with pretty bad morning nausea and vomiting. This is just something chronic I've been dealing with daily for the past years due to my burnout, so I'm taking it easy. The moment my nausea calms down, I take that opportunity to start to get ready by washing my face and doing my morning routine. I'm doing my makeup, and once that is done, it's time to prep my hair. I filmed with my phone and my DSLR camera, so the quality will keep changing throughout the video. Still learning this whole vlog business. I will definitely get better with video quality. Let's keep going. I just sprayed down my hair with water and a little bit of conditioner to make it look presentable. I still feel good about this day, even though I had a rough start. I then get ready to leave and take the bus into Amsterdam. It's a beautiful day out today, and the city is vibrant and a perfect day to do some art business. I finally arrive at the Hallen, which is the location where the gallery is at. The Hallen is a very beautiful location right in the heart of Amsterdam, which has a lot of unique shops, art galleries, and delicious food at the Food Hallen, which is also located there. There seems to be a little market going on at the moment with live music. This place is always filled with stuff to do and see, and there is always something interesting happening. We finally arrive at the Beeldend Gesproken Art Gallery, and here we see some of my drawings in the windowsill. Time to go inside. Right here at the entrance, we have some of my art paintings. I've done these with acrylic paint and gold leaf and paint markers. These are some of my biggest pieces to date. The gallery itself is an art rental, art collection, and art gallery all in one. The gallery has a bit over 120 artists with all their own unique, amazing artworks. If you find yourself visiting Amsterdam, I highly recommend stopping by this area and the gallery and seeing all the amazing works of all the artists here. The gallery is filled with colorful and unique artworks, ranging from canvases all the way to furniture, sculptures, jewelry, clothing, and even more. There's always something new to see at the gallery and always something interesting happening. There are often workshops going on, art shows, group shows, talk shows, and much more. I feel so thankful to be a part of this, and I still can't believe it. It's so nice to also be part of a gallery and to kind of have an artist community to be a part of. It is such an honor and a blessing to be able to be a part of this. Today, I'm at the gallery to sign some paperwork because I have a bunch of new artworks that are going to be in the collection of the gallery. For that, I have to sign a contract and also fill in some papers and some information about my works. These previously were at an art show at the Cobra Museum located in Amstelveen, right next to Amsterdam. I take out my artworks out of the bubble wrap and place them on the table before we find a spot for them in the gallery. Now, it's time for me to put in all the information about my artworks. On this little piece of paper, I put in all my own personal information, plus all the information about my works, which includes the sizes, the names, titles of the works, the materials that are used, and the pricing of the artworks, which, by the way, I am so bad at. I never know how to price my works. I either ask too little and undervalue it, or I ask too much. There's almost no in between. It's hard to find a balance, but it really is just a matter of trying different numbers and seeing how potential buyers will react. It's something you just gotta experiment with. I double check everything to make sure that I didn't make any mistakes. I did. Oops, I forgot to properly fill in my email. Uh-oh. Once I'm done filling everything in, it's time for me to sign the contract with my autograph. Now we're finally done with this part of the art business. Time to move on to the next part. Me and the gallery manager Esther started putting the stickers with the pricing of the artworks on the artworks themselves. Once we were done with that, it was time for us to find a new spot for all the artworks. We started to look at several different places at the gallery, but then decided on the windowsill. We kept going back and forth to see which place would look best, and then we finally found one and it looks the nicest. I'm so happy with this. Now it's time to move on to the last part of this business area, and that is figuring out a spot for the shirt that I made. I actually made a video about how I made this shirt on my YouTube channel, so make sure to check that out if you want to know how to make your own art shirts as well. We finally found a good spot for it, and now it's hanging beautifully on the wall at the gallery, ready to be bought. It was a nice productive day here at the Beeldend Gesproken Art Gallery, and now it's time for me to head home, go out, and get ready for my art stream. Before I went home though, I decided to stop by the 10 Katen Markt, which is a beautiful little cute market right here at the Hallen, to get myself some food and something nice to drink to celebrate. And if there's one thing that I truly love about the Netherlands, is how many markets there are, and this is one of my favorite ones. It has great food selections, great atmosphere, isn't always too busy, and it's just there's always good vibes happening. Now I'm finally done at the market. I finally head out and take my bus home.
Okay, so I'm finally back from good time in Amsterdam at the gallery. Took care of some business. The moment I got home though, I got my nausea symptoms again. So I had to lay down for a little bit, take it easy, just took care of myself. I drank my drinks that I got. I ate my food. I relaxed for a little bit, and now I'm back at it. And for tonight, I'm actually going to do a art stream, because I also do art streams and gaming streams on Twitch. But yeah, so this was a day in my life as an artist with a burnout at the moment. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed seeing Amsterdam a little bit and seeing what an art gallery is like in Amsterdam. Which, by the way, if you're in Amsterdam and you get a chance to go to the Hallen, please stop by and check out all the amazing art there. Okay, so my plan for now is to relax a tiny bit more and also get ready for the art stream that's going to happen soon.
So before my art stream, I always clean up my workstation. I then set up my little webcam holder and make sure all my art supplies are where I need them to be. Then I set up my camera, get OBS ready, which is a program I use for streaming, and then it's time to start. I tend to stream art and games for the past years to really kind of push myself into putting myself a bit more out there. Plus, I have met some really amazing cool people and friends online on the stream. It's a really great way to connect with a community and find some awesome like-minded people. I stream for about 2 to 2.5 hours, and then I start to get really tired as it was also getting pretty late. It's been a long day. It's finally time for me to call it quits and end the day.
Just finished streaming. We had a long day. Big work day, honestly. Streamed for like, I think 2.5 hours, something like that. On a stream, we just worked more on this one, which is actually one of the next videos in a series that I'm making on YouTube. Anyways, you should expect this video to come out pretty soon. Get ready for that. But yeah, pretty happy with how today went, even though I had a rough morning. I was pretty sick, like I mentioned before. But even though we had that, we still did what we needed to do, which is a bunch of art stuff. Anyways, very happy with this. Obviously this isn't like the best vlog of all time, but it's my first one, so it's a start, and I'm gonna learn from this and I'm gonna get better, and I might do more vlogs in the future. Not sure yet. Probably will, but we'll see. I get ready for some creative art things that we're gonna do together. Get ready for my next video. Make sure you subscribe for more art content, art tutorials, and art videos. I guess that's art content. You get what I mean. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see next and what you thought about this video. And I hope to see you next time. Take care and stay creative.